Hello, this is day 17. I'm back on track now. Today I'm supposed to be teaching you anything that I want to teach with 3 different points. So I'm going to teach you the basics of taking care of natural hair. My 3 points are water, moisturize, and leave it alone. Okay, so number 1, for water. I know that we have spent our whole lives, if you're a black woman, you have spent your whole life watering or washing your hair once every 2 weeks, once a month, once whatever, because our hair is dry. And so we don't have that oily buildup that other people have. But I want to challenge you to wash your hair once a week and see how your hair reacts, because what I'll say is I was also washing my hair once every 2 weeks, once a month, and my hair never grew past my shoulders when I was a perm girl. But now that I'm a natural girl, all of last year I washed my hair every single week, and I saw a full 4 inches of growth last year. So I definitely think that has something to do with it. And I'm not even saying that I was doing very much during the week. We'll get to that point later, but washing my hair once a week drastically helped with the way my hair felt and its breakage level. Number 2 is moisturize your hair. So now that we washed our hair, you need to make sure that you're sealing in that moisture with a conditioner and then a conditioner, which is usually a cream, and an oil, just to make sure all the nutrients, all the water you put in there cannot just escape. I have high porosity hair, so as soon as I leave the shower, all the water evaporates out of my hair and my hair shrinks down to about this long. Like my hair, shrinkage is real. If you know black hair, my hair is actually like bra strap length. But if I allow it to shrink, it shrinks and it sits by my shoulder no matter how long it actually is when I straighten it. And you can see how long my hair is from last year because I did a hair straightening tutorial. And again, it was a year ago and my hair has grown 4 inches since last year. So you'll really know how long my hair is at that point. I just feel like once you learn how to properly wash and moisturize your hair will change entirely. It'll even be more easy to take care of. I genuinely think that a lot of the problems and the difficulty that we say we have with our hair stems from the fact that there's not enough water in our hair. And then lastly is leave your hair alone. Yes, last year I blow dried my hair every single week, and yet my hair still was able to grow 4 inches. And that's 4 inches because I get a trim, they cut 2 inches off. It's actually supposed to be 6 inches in a year. And once I blow my hair out, I blew my hair out the Friday before last, and it's now Monday, so I'm going to wash it literally today. So, because I've gone a little bit over my week, but it was a busy weekend, and I just got back to America, so that's fine. I forget what I was saying before that, but yeah, once you wash your hair, it will be more manageable once you learn how to wash it correctly and moisturize it correctly. Oh, I think I was on leave it alone. So yeah, last Friday I blew out my hair. I have not put any more heat on it. I've kept it in its bonnet, its silk scarf at night. I don't do too much to it. I just leave it the way it is. When I have a wig on, my hair is in cornrows, I continue to moisturize and water it underneath the wig. When I do braids, I continue to water and moisturize it, and I've left it alone. The moral of the story is the more you can leave it alone and keep it moisturized and watered, your hair will grow. And let's see. The best thing to do is to have a routine, like a full set of shampoo, conditioner, all coming from the same place that works well together. My recommendation would be Melanin Hair Care, because when you use the system in its entirety, my hair loves it. Now, it is not a system that you can mix and match. And maybe I'll get into that in another one of these videos where I review Melanin Hair Care or the 4C Only, which is right next to me right now. Okay, well, I'll see you on day 18 tomorrow. Bye.